everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about my Subaru BRZ and specifically where it's been, what's going on with it, and why you guys haven't been able to see it as much in videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Grayson McTaggart and I like making Subaru BRZ content and any other car content that I can. And so if that sounds cool to you, be sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss anything that I put out in the future. With that said, let's go ahead and get into it. So I don't have a lot of time to explain what's going on, but I do want to explain where the BRZ has been. A lot of people are like, where's the BRZ? Did you sell it? Did you crash it? Did whatever happened to it? And so I want to address all those questions in today's video. So as you guys know, the BRZ I have had for about 4 years now, and some of you guys' favorite car. A lot of people who watch the channel, this is their dream car. And I completely understand that. This was my dream car. It still is one of my dream cars, and you guys have been missing it a bunch. However, the past few months for the BRZ have been really rough, and I want to explain that, and then I'm gonna take you along with me on a little adventure to kind of reacquaint ourselves with the BRZ. As you guys notice that I took the Aero Blitz front splitter off, as well as my aftermarket side markers out. The basic reason for that is I was driving from Oklahoma back to Texas, and there was like a pothole or a piece of wood in the road, I don't remember which, but basically I hit it going about 65 miles an hour on the highway, and I didn't know at the time, but it had fully disconnected the bottom half of my front bumper. All the tabs came out, the screws were ripped out, and it actually damaged my inside fender liner here. That is actually new fender liner, which I made a video replacing that in case you guys need to know that. In addition to ripping out all the hardware underneath my bumper, it actually ejected my aftermarket side markers. I have no idea where they are. They are somewhere in between Texas and Oklahoma on the highway or somewhere. So I had to put the old side markers back in, and I ordered new ones, but because of COVID and other things, it's like they won't be here for a couple months. The other thing is I took this front splitter off. The reason for that is basically it was a little damaged in the hit as well. Nothing too bad, just kind of scraped up some of the hardware. And so I'm gonna remount that here soon, but there is a much bigger problem with the BRZ that I need to address. And that is a couple days ago, or about a week ago, there was a bad storm here in Oklahoma, and basically a tornado almost swept away my apartment complex, and hail rained down all over the BRZ. You can't see it right now, but there's a dent right here that you can't see. On the roof it's pretty visible. Let me see if I can get it for you guys. But there's little pebble kind of dents all over my roof, all over my trunk, hood, like the A-pillar, B-pillars, all over the car. There is little tiny dents, which it's hard to see with the rain on it right now and on camera, but there are. But that is something that we will be fixing today. Is actually, I filed an insurance claim. They said they will take care of it, and we are getting the hail damage fixed on the BRZ today, and that's why I'm kind of hurrying, because I have to be there in like, I think 10 minutes or so. I'm gonna take you guys with me, kind of show you guys what that process looks like of getting hail damage fixed, getting a rental car, and other kind of minutia with this kind of situation that I'm in. And then eventually I will post a follow-up video getting the BRZ back, and kind of what it really took to get hail damage fixed on this car. Was it expensive? Was it cheap? Was it a hassle? Whatever, and I'll go over all of that with you guys. Anyways, I know you guys are dying to see me drive this car, and so that's what we're doing today. I'm taking you along for the ride. Let's get going. Sounds so good every time. So if you can't tell already, this is more of a vlog style video. This isn't my typical like planned out kind of video where I set up a camera and I talk about a topic. I am trying to put out more videos for you guys more frequently, as well as more videos with all of the cars, whether it's the Miata, the BRZ, or the Datsun. And so that's kind of the idea behind what I'm doing now, is switching more to vlog content so I can get more content out there in general. And we have pretty much arrived. I'm not gonna pull out the camera until I like know everything's good. I may not pull out the camera at all until we go get the rental car. But this is pretty much it. I'm gonna pull over and give you guys one last look at the BRZ before I pull in and kind of actually look over it myself. Make sure that everything looks good on the inside, outside. Make sure I have all of my stuff out of it. On the inside, steering wheel's fine. The seats are good. Yeah, this will be, you guys will probably see the BRZ a little bit on a couple of pre-recorded videos that I have, but this is going to be the last time I see the BRZ for about a week. Normally this is my daily driver, but we are going to be trading it in for a rental car temporarily. Let me see if you guys can see that hail damage a little more here. There's a dent right there. You can kind of see it right there. There it is. So if you see that one, and then there's a few more on the roof as well, like there's one right there. There's one over there that you can't, yeah, there you go. If I move it like that, you can see the reflection in the light. Basically, we are going to be getting all that fixed, or they will be fixing it. I don't know how to do body work. I don't know how to do paintless dent repair, but this is it. This is gonna be, it's gonna be a minute before I get to see the BRZ again. I get to see how you guys feel, because I never make videos with this car, and I am trying to make more, but I haven't had many video ideas. So let me know what you guys want to see me do with this car down below, please, because it helps me make more videos with it for you guys. If you say you want to see more of the BRZ, tell me what you want to see more of, because that helps me out a lot. Anyway, let's go ahead and drop the car off and go get the rental. And just like that, we went ahead and dropped off the BRZ and we got the new rental. And here it is. Here is my new rental car in place of the BRZ. I know it's not anything exciting. I was disappointed too. I mean, it's a rental. I don't know what I was expecting. I was hoping for, I guess, like a truck, like a Toyota Tacoma or something. But I got the Hyundai Elantra. After driving this car just from the rental place back like here, I don't know how people do this. I don't know how people drive like cars like this, like just generic point A to point B, like automatic. Just, I don't know how people drive these cars. Like, there is no excitement. Like, I feel like I'm just a square dude. Like, I feel like just a generic, like, I need to put on suit, go to work kind of guy, like wearing this thing. Like, this thing is, it ain't it, chief. But the bright side of all this, it's bittersweet because, you know, even though we're stuck with this car for a few days, in the meantime, the BRZ is getting fixed and detailed back to it is the best it can be, its best self. And that just means we are stuck with this for a few days. This car just doesn't do it for me. I miss my BRZ and it's been like 15 minutes. I miss that car. I mean, at least it's blue, I guess. It's funny because in the renter's like agreement, it's like, we'll give you a comparable car to what you have. I guess blue means comparable. I think that is the only like thing comparable about this. Like, I get it, like it's not like they're gonna have another BRZ in their lot for me to rent and like use temporarily. But anyway, we're stuck with the Elantra. BRZ is being fixed and it will be back on the channel very soon. Anyways, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys want to see with the BRZ down below. Leave a like and be sure to subscribe for all the stuff we got coming up in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.